Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick demonstration video. Today I am painting a beautiful dog using watercolors. So let's start with the sketch. Here I am using a mechanical pencil with lead 0.7. If you don't have a mechanical pencil, you can use any HB pencil you have. Now let's apply the paints. Here I am using a wash of burnt sienna mixed with intense blue to get the dark brown. And for the highlights such as yellows and orange, I am using cadmium red and yellow ochre. It is very important to have a perfect sketch before we start with paints because it will help us to achieve the realisticness we want in our painting. Now I am working on the first layer of paints to establish the base of the actual paints that will be applied down the line. For the nose and eyes, I am using the same set of paints, that is burnt sienna mixed with intense blue, which is also known as phthalo blue. For the dark brown colors on the ears, I have mixed burnt sienna, that is brown, mixed with intense blue in equal quantity. If you want to have some more dark tones, then try to increase the amount of intense blue. Now I am working on the second layer of paints, adding fine details like carefully separating the light and shadow areas. Also with each layer of paints, I am increasing the amount of color pigments and saturation. Also taking care of the base color that has already been applied, because moreover I have to apply the darker version of the paints which has been already applied. Apart from other watercolor paintings, if you choose a subject to paint in a realistic way, then we have to go slow, paying attention to each part. And try to cover as much as color in the first layer so that you just have to work on the darker versions later. Now the whole painting revolves around some of the basic colors like brown, intense blue, cadmium red, yellow ochre and crimson red. All the materials that I've used in this video is mentioned in the video description box. I hope you have enjoyed this painting video. If you have any suggestions for the future paintings, do let me know in the comments section. And I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay blessed.